greatest show on earth. This is Dr. Justin Golston. This is brought to you by Gamak Offshore. The White Marlin Open is coming up in 2 weeks, so doing a little promotion for White Marlin Open for a hook. I was crew back in the day. Captain Kendall, had a call with Captain Kendall this morning. He said they're about to start practicing the Outer Banks. Had to do some slight tweaks and configurations. So, oh boy. Had to do some tweaks and configurations. So today we're gonna go make a little special appearance to Maker and Merchant. This is gonna be a study for the Global Social Experiment, as well as for the presentation at Rollins College for the visiting assistant professor role in supply chain management. So this is supply chain in action, a philosophy in action. So yesterday we did a study where I went from idea to ebook on Amazon in like 7.5 hours. We put it on the Substack. When I woke up this morning, the ebook was live, which we tested and is functioning. But the bottleneck is actually Amazon. Figured that one out. So Amazon's a bottleneck because when I try to get my idea to the doorstep with the paperback, when I tried to order the book, it glitched on me. So we have a bottleneck on Amazon side. We're documenting it. It's on Substack. Now we're going to go to the Maker and Merchant, and we're going to see if they want to get some books. So today, I'm getting the shade. It's pretty damn hot. Today we're gonna give them some samples. All I want is a sample. Get some samples of my baby's book. Sydney's Big Helping Day. This is the book where Sydney did with 2 book signings. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Look at this man. Look at this man. He think he knows something. Got the books. Got this. We're gonna see if they want it. So just stay tuned. Let's go check this out real quick. Oh, this place is nice. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. This is amazing. Huh. There's some books right there, some vintage roses. Got a little jelly, got some honey. What else we got here? Got Dewey's popping. This is real. This is some Southern hospitality. Here we go. Now, I'm gonna have to do some research and see. I actually had this book, local authors. Interesting. How much they charge? $12.50. Oof. $15.50. I'm about to drop my prices. Looks like $10.50. Looking at the competition here. $22. That one's $22. Little thicker book. That might be what we're looking at here. That one's $15. That one's $20. Nice little thick book. Okay, they sell for $20. Okay, it's up for 20. Okay. Hmm. This is nice. This is good field study. Rollins College. A little pricing. Get some distribution here. We'll see what we got. Ooh, book lover. Let's get it. Ooh, book lover. I might get that for myself. I need that men's. Yeah, I was here, I think last week, and I was asking about consignment because I'm a local author,
Okay.
and I was wondering how that worked. You have to fill out a paper or anything?
Let's see. Authors. Let me just add a different bill for other vendors. So, what's the exact process of getting an author?
I forgot the process.
Getting a what? Of being an author.
Author.
Becoming an author here. Oh, okay. So usually what we do with our authors is instead of them paying for the space specifically, the ownership team buys a certain number of books from, it's like a wholesale process.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you one of our business cards.
Uh-huh.
We don't typically take new vendors until November, and our book section is a little full up
I see
right
that.
now.
Yeah.
But come November, we might have some authors who decide to move on instead of staying here. We'll
Yeah.
have to see how it pans out. I'm going to highlight our ownership team's email portion.
All right, what could you check out? Could you like reach out to all the locations, like Concord and all them, and
Absolutely, you
Okay.
can talk to them about doing that.
yeah, because I mean I think it was packed.
Typically, they like to keep, like to start a business in the state that it's from. So like
Yeah.
maybe from North Carolina, they would like to start you here or in Concord, as opposed to like,
That's fine.
sure, we'll take your books and put them in Tampa.
Well,
and
I
then-
can start I can start an LLC in Florida and Georgia, so we
So-
can resolve that.
The main office phone is right here, and then the email address I'm circling right there, and they will be able to answer all of your questions and work with you more directly than we
Fantastic.
could.
Okay, this is excellent. All right, bless y'all.
No problem. Have a good one.
All right, you as well. That's simple. So, maker and merchant in 8 minutes, Ashburn, North Carolina. That's how you get books in a store. God is good.